afternoon po. Good afternoon. Uupo lang ba? Saan ba titingin? Dito? Dito? Saan? Kinakabahan po ako.
Ready ka na?
Yeah. Start na po ba?
Whenever you're ready.
I'm Esegani de la Cruz, 25, engineer. I'm Brianna Cristala Sison. I'm 23 years old. Fresh graduate sa kursong accountancy. And I'm currently preparing for my CPA board exams.
Lumipat ka na ng California?
Yeah, umuwi na talaga ako para dito.
What should we call you?
Brian na lang po, Brian.
Can you tell us more about yourself?
Mahilig akong mag-gitara. Pero mas nangingibago yung kahiligan ko sa pag-travel. Production. I love food. And I love traveling.
Sa lahat ng napuntahan mo, anong pinaka-paborito mo?
Probably my most favorite Japan.
Mag-iisa ka?
No. May kasama ako.
Maiba tayo. Masaya ka ba ngayon?
Happy? In what aspect? Eh, naging yung tanong.
Masaya ka ba sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon?
Yes, very much happy. Well, yes, masaya ako. Siguro? Masaya ako siguro.
No regrets?
What do you mean?
Are you in a relationship right now?
Yup, 4 months. No. I'm single and not ready to mingle.
What's your longest relationship?
Longest 4 years. 4 years, yeah. First boyfriend ko siya. She's not my first girlfriend, but she's my first love.
How did it end? Bri?
Well, it sparked confusion.
Sagani?
Magulo. It was just painful.